Nyothrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. Teachers under the banner of the All Garo Hills SSA School Teachers Association today held a rally in the town of William Nagar in East Garo Hills over their pending 4-month salaries from the state. The rally today saw a huge number of teachers, all aligned with the association, walking through the town with placards demanding their salaries to be released. The rally that began at the Rongrengre Higher Secondary School playground and proceeded to the Deputy Commissioner's office finally culminated at the main market of the town. After the rally, the protesting teachers submitted a memorandum to the Education Minister Lakmen Rimboy through the Deputy Commissioner of East Garo Hills Swapnil Tembe with their demands that included their appeal to the government to resolve the impasse of their salaries so as to enable them to resume their duties. It may be mentioned that the teachers had sought to agitation after their repeated appeals to the Education Department, its minister as well as the Chief Minister went unheard. Speaking on behalf of the SSA teachers, the president of the association, LG Moman, informed that they have been patiently waiting on the government to release their dues since June this year. However, he added that even after 4 months, there has been no response about the same. He therefore demanded from the state government to immediately address this issue and not prompt the association to go all the way to stage a protest in the national capital.
June up to September, we are not getting our salaries. Now it's almost 5 months. So since we are not getting our salaries since last 4 months, we have already submitted our memorandums to the Union Education Minister, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan. Because when we asked the state government regarding the non-release of our salaries, we are clarified by the state government of Meghalaya that our salaries are not being convenient to release by the state government due to the non-release of the central funds. Because SSA funds is a 90-10 sharing pattern. So without getting the funds from the central government, we are not being able to release your salary, clarified the Chief Minister, Sri Conrad K. Sangma, in our meeting. So today our demand and we are seeking the clarification from the state government that as to why the union government is being failed to release our funds from the union government, whereas rest of the state, they have already been received the funds from the union government, which has been allotted to the SSA funds. But here in Meghalaya, we, the SSA teachers of Meghalaya, we are asked to wait for the state government just for the releasing of the central funds to get our salaries. But now, we are not being able to believe this clarification from the state government, because now from the very beginning of this year, the state government has gave us clarification that the central government has failed to release your funds, so you are not getting your salaries. So we fail to understand as to what region, because of what region the center has failed to release our funds. Is it a failure of the union government, or is it a failure of the state government to fulfill its duties? Just like submission of UC to the union government. So we just want to get the clarification from the state government to show us the causes and the reason, the main reason behind the non-release of our funds from the union government. We want to know it. So that's all. So if our demands, after submitting this memorandum to the Union Education Minister, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan, in favor of Deputy Commissioner East Garo Hills, so if our demands are not met by the state government, if the union government and the state government does not bother to address our problem, our SSA teachers' grievances, then we are ready to go to the Jantar Mantar, New Delhi. We will go there and we will show our demonstration, our agitation there in Delhi within a few days. If our demands are not fulfilled, if our demands are not met by the union and the state government.